Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to use Chegg gift card or redeem it. So here's what you need to do. Open your Chegg app onto your device, log in. There you want to make sure to head to the account section. So tap the menu bar and there you have accounts. Underneath, you want to go and select payment method. Just look for an option to add a gift card or promo code. Most Chegg gift cards are entered at the checkout screen when you are purchasing a subscription or renting a book. You could then go ahead and apply your code and simply tap on apply or save changes to update your balance, and you could go ahead and use it. And that's basically how you'll be able to use Chegg gift card and get certain amount discount on every purchase as well. So if you're not able to redeem it, so then it means some of the website is not accepted or some of the application doesn't accept. So you have to check that out as well. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.